I'm Mike Baines, President of Aerocell Packaging. Welcome and thank you for visiting our website. With Aerocell, packaging truly has evolved. In this short video, I would like to introduce you to this incredible new packaging technology and give you a first-hand demonstration of how it works. Aerocell packaging is truly unique. Aerocell is a thin film plastic substrate like this one here, which upon inflation takes on a multitude of forms and styles like these you see here. Aerocell can be designed to inflate to limitless combinations of forms to provide maximum protection and support for products of just about any shape and size. Okay, now for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to take a look at wine bottle packaging, which is just one of the many forms Aerocell packaging can take on. Remember that everything I demonstrate here with this wine bottle pack applies to any Aerocell packaging design form. Now let's start off with our one wine bottle pack. As you can see, it starts out in a very thin film substrate. The technology of our product, we inflate across our top chamber, filling down through our independent columns through our one-way valving technology. Let's show you how it works. The process only takes 2 or 3 seconds. We tuck in our bottom corners and our top corners to give us the 3-dimensional shape. We then take our hinge lid, place our bottle inside, and there's your 100% protected wine bottle pack. Now it's ready for shipment. All you do is take your standard corrugated packaging, place it in the box, and it's set to go. However, let's talk about one key feature before we do that. I talked about our independent columns, and why this is critical is we've designed a dual patented compensating chamber between. We do this so that when pressure builds up in one chamber in a drop, it expands into the other chamber. When it comes out of the drop, it goes back to its original chamber. In the worst case event that a column is punctured, all the air columns are independent of one another, so the other columns stay inflated and the integrity of the package is not compromised. Now we've discussed limitless customization, and you've already seen our one wine bottle pack. We can just as easily, from one inflation point, do a 3 wine bottle pack. And here is the inflated form. Now continuing with our wine bottle example, let's compare Aerocell to other popular packaging methods. Here we have a molded foam part, one single 3-pack. A molded pulp, once again a one single 3-pack. Again, our Aerocell. You can see the space savings between the 3. In the space it takes to store one of these, you can fit 250 Aerocell packs. Now imagine the space it would take for 250 of these, or 1,000, or 10,000. Aerocell packaging offers cost savings in many areas, in addition to just comparing the cost of one of these to the cost of one of these. One quick example can be seen by looking at the package size needed to ship 3 wine bottles with Aerocell versus traditional foam packaging. As you can see, Aerocell requires less packaging space for the same or better level of protection. Okay, now I've showed you how with Aerocell, packaging truly has evolved. In this last segment, I'm really going to prove it to you. When it comes down to it, protection is everything. I'm going to show you that Aerocell offers truly superior protection in addition to all its other great benefits. Here's our one wine bottle, our Aerocell pack, inflating the Aerocell pack, tucking my corners, and inserting my wine bottle. Now keep in mind, traditionally this would go into your box. However, for purposes today, I'm going to show you right on concrete without the corrugated box. Solid concrete. Our wine bottle is still intact. And that's the benefit of Aerocell.